Mitutoyo's micrometers are manufactured in the Gohara and Shiwa factory. Based on the philosophy of having key technologies in-house, in the Gohara, we design and manufacture micrometer molds and cast products. The Shiwa factory handles everything from designing and manufacturing micrometers to shipping them. Automation of frame processing, spindle processing, and thimble processing is progressing with the introduction of robots and machines. Once processing is complete, the process automatically proceeds to measurement using our in-house measuring machine and storage in the parts box. This is thimble plating surface treatment. Everything is done in-house and automation is progressing. The scale is laser engraved and inspected as is. This is an automatic assembly line and is almost completely unmanned. This is the final inspection process. Our inspectors, who have acquired in-house qualifications for finished product inspection, inspect every detail one by one. The Kochi factory produces micrometer heads. It is used in places where fine positioning is required, such as on microscope stages. We process inner cylinders, thimbles, rods, spindles, etc. from round bar-shaped materials. Everything is automated. After processing, it is hardened in a heat treatment furnace. Laser engraving prints scales and numbers on the micrometer head. This is the grinding process for the base of a depth micrometer. It is finished by an expert to create a flat surface. Inspections are performed using our own measuring equipment, and the products are packaged after inspection. Shaping the future of manufacturing through precision measurements, we will create a factory where Mitutoyo's data utilization never stops.